Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to pair and set up your Apple Watch Ultra 2 with your iPhone. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version for seamless compatibility. Next, power on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Bring it close to your iPhone, and a pairing screen should automatically appear. Tap Continue on your iPhone to begin the process. This initial step is crucial for a smooth connection between your devices. If automatic pairing doesn't initiate, simply tap Pair manually on your iPhone. Then, use your iPhone's camera to scan the unique animated pattern displayed on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. You'll then choose whether to set it up as a brand new device or restore from an existing backup. Don't forget to select your preferred wrist and agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. Now, sign in with your Apple ID to activate features like Apple Pay and iCloud synchronization. You'll have the opportunity to customize various settings, including Siri, activity tracking, and location services, to suit your preferences. Decide whether to install all available apps or handpick them individually. Finally, patiently wait as your data securely syncs from your iPhone to your new Apple Watch Ultra 2. Once the data synchronization is complete, your Apple Watch Ultra 2 is fully ready for use. Explore the comprehensive Watch app on your iPhone for further personalization and to discover new functionalities. Remember to familiarize yourself with the customizable Action button, offering quick access to your most used features. Always keep both your iPhone and Apple Watch updated for optimal performance and to enjoy the latest innovations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.